Determine the shear force V and bending moment M in the beam at the section 2 feet to the right of A. This is whole loading is at 3 feet, so we will find a shear force and bending moment at this point. Let's say this is 2 feet from the right of A, so we will finding this moment at point this. Okay, first of all we will draw a free body diagram of this beam. Let's say this is a beam and this is AX, sorry, this is AY and AX, this is BY, and this is a loading UVL, AY, reaction force AX and reaction force BY. This distance is 3 feet and this is also 3 feet. Our first task is to determine this load accumulation. What will be the resultant of this whole load? This is 400 pound per feet, which is UVL, uniformly varying load. So the accumulation of this whole load, this load accumulation is, let's say this is F1. So how can we find F1? For F1 equal to 1 by 2 WL. So 1 divided by 2, W is 400, multiplied by L is 3 feet. So F1 is equal to 1200 divided by 2, which is 600 pounds. So this UDL will be removed and the F1 is 600 pounds. I convert this UVL into a point load, which is 600 pounds. Now I will find the length of this center at which the total load, this total UVL load accumulate at what point. Let's say this is a UVL triangle. So for finding this length, there is a formula 2L divided by 2, and for finding this length, this will be L divided by 2. So we require this length. So 2L, L is total 3 feet, this L is 3 feet divided by 2. So it will be 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Sorry, this 2L divided by 3, this will be 2L divided by 3 and this is L divided by 3. Okay, so for finding this length, it will be 2L divided by 3, and for finding this length, it is L divided by 3. So 2 into L is 3 feet divided by 3. The 3 will cancel with 3. It will be 2 feet. So this will be 2 feet. So we have found F1 accumulation of this load at this point at 2 feet from support A. Now we can easily find A. We can easily find this A and this BY, AY, BY and AX. Now summation of movement at point A equal to 0. The force which rotates the beam into anti-clockwise direction will be taken as positive. So there is a BY which is anti-clockwise, positive BY multiplied by its lever arm. 3 feet plus 3 feet is 6 feet. And there is another load which is point load is 6 feet. So 6 pounds. It is clockwise, that's why it will be negative. So 600 multiplied by its lever arm is 2 feet equal to 0. So by will equal to 1200 divided by 6. So by will become equal to 200 pounds. So the value of by is 200 pounds. Now I will take summation of all vertical forces acting at this beam equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive. So there is only 3 forces, AY, BY and F1. So there is 3 vertical forces. So AY, this is positive because directed up, and positive BY and negative F1 equal to 0. If I plug the value of F1 and BY, I will get AY. So AY will equal to BY is 200, it will be negative 200 and it will be positive 600. So AY, I get AY as 400 pounds. Now I have found reactions AY and BY. Now I can easily find the moment and shear force and bending moment at this point. So how can I will find this shear force and bending moment at 2 feet from the right of A? Okay, I will take it as this AY is 400 pounds. I will take it to the next page. Now this is a 2 feet. So I found shear force and moment at this 2 feet. For this, first of all, I will found this is at this 3 feet, this is 400. So what will be at 2 feet? The omega, the load will be at 2 feet. So first of all, I will find this omega dash. So omega divided by L equal to omega dash divided by L dash. So this L dash is 2 feet. So omega is this 400. So this omega is 400 divided by L is 3 feet, which is equal to omega dash divided by this 2 feet. So omega dash will equal to 400 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So omega dash will equal to 266.67 pounds per feet. I have found this omega as 266.67. I find the accumulation of this omega load, this load at center of this triangular loading. Okay, so omega dash, let's say this is F2. So what will be the F2? F2 is equal to omega dash into L divided by 2. So omega dash is 266.67 multiplied by L is 2 feet. Total L is 2 feet divided by 2. So this 2 will cancel with this 2. So F2 is equal to 266.67 pounds. So this will, the total load will accumulate at this point, which is 266.67. Okay, I will remove this omega. Now I can find this much length. What will be this length? Let's say this is x. So x is equal to, if I find this is a triangle and I find this length, so 2L divided by 3. So 2 into L is whole 2 feet divided by 3. So 4 by 3, which is 1.33 feet. Okay, this is 1.x is equal to 1.33 feet. Now I have found it L as well as F1. Now I can easily find moment and another shear force at right of a support at 2 feet. Okay, so there is summation of movement. Let's say this is point, this point at 2 feet, this is point A dash, so A dash equal to 0. So there is a movement M which is anti-clockwise. The force which rotates the beam anti-clockwise will be taken as positive. So positive M, and this will be negative AY multiplied by this length, lever arm is 2 feet, and positive, this is also anti-clockwise, positive 266.67 multiplied by 1.33. What will be this length? This length 1.33 minus 2 is 0.77 equal to 0. So M moment at this point will equal to AY is 400 multiplied by 2, negative 266.67 multiplied 0.77. So moment will equal to 800 negative, if I calculate it, 266.67 multiply 0.77, it is 205.33. 205.33. So 800 negative answer. So moment is, this is 0.67, not 77, 0.67, and this is also 0.67, and also this is 0.67 multiplied by 266.67. So 178, 800 minus 178 is 622.22. So it will be, it is, this is 178, so it will be 622 pounds feet. Now summation of all vertical forces acting at this portion equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive. Now AY and negative V and negative F2 equal to 0. So V will equal to negative AY positive F2. This is negative, so V is equal to AY negative F2. So V will equal to 400 negative 266.67. So V is equal to 133.33 pounds. I have found it shear force and bending moment. Bending moment at 2 feet from the right of A is 622 pound-feet, and shear force at at 2 feet from the right of, at these 2 feet from the right of support A is 133.33 pounds.